Now let's evaluate a function, right? It says that we have to find this entire expression and we have to simplify it at the end. So it says that f of x is equal to 6x minus 9, right? So once we have f of x, and now we have to find f of a plus h, right? So what that basically means is that in every, right, if you remember again, that the way to solve a function is that you see what's in this bracket, a plus h, replace that with every x. So this x here becomes a plus h, right? So instead of 6x, you have 6 into a plus h, right? And 9 is a constant, so obviously it's not multiplied with anything. So we have to find this one separately, and we have just h. H is a constant, so it's just written down as h in the end. So basically we have to find these two functions, and we've been given the actual function itself that we have to do in respect to. So f of a plus h is equal to 6 into a plus h minus 9, right? Now we have to find f of a. So that just basically means instead of x, you write down a, right? So f of, and again, you just simplify the whole expression that comes up to this. Now let's just find f of a. F of a is equal to 6a minus 9 because f of x is equal to 6x minus 9. So obviously f of a will be 6a minus 9. Now that you have the two expressions, you can just simplify the whole thing that we had to find originally, right? So what that basically means is that since f of a plus h is equal to 6a plus 6h minus 9, you just write down this becomes basically 6a plus 6h minus 9. Put that in a bracket. This negative sign here, write that down. And then in the bracket, write down f of a, which is 6a minus 9. 6a minus 9. Do not forget these brackets again. And divide that entire thing by h, right? Now, again, that's the same thing you have over here. And now you have to simplify it. So, just close, do this, multiply this negative sign with 6a minus 9. You get minus 6a plus 9. And just do all the subtraction. This will be subtracted with this, so cancel them out. And this will be subtracted with this, so cancel them out. So you're just left with 6h over h. And further simplification just leaves you with, since h and h get cancelled out, you're left with 6. And so this is how you evaluate this entire expression when the original function is given to you.